Hi students, welcome all of you in video series of NCERT exemplar problem. In this video I am going to explain chapter number 7, Getting to Know Plants of class 6 Science. So the video is going to be very interesting. All should watch the video till end. Let us start with question number 1. Which of the following combination of features would you observe in a grass? So grasses have parallel venation and fibrous root. Grasses don't have tap root, and fibrous root and reticulate venation is absent in grasses, and reticulate venation, tap root, both the options are wrong. In grasses, parallel venation and fibrous root is there. Now you should know what is parallel venation. You see, in parallel venation, like this is the leaf of grass, and in parallel venation veins run parallel to each other. So these are veins, okay. It runs parallel to one another in a leaf. And fibrous root, the fibrous root is fiber like this, okay. So in fibers, thin fiber like roots arise in group from the base of stem. So this is the base and these are the fiber like roots. And reticulate venation, what happens in reticulate venation? Like you might have seen the people leaf. In that, midrib is there, and then from the midrib veins run, okay. So this type of venation is called reticulate venation, okay. Now I'll explain about taproot. In taproot, one main root is there, and from that main root many thin fiber like roots emerge, okay. So this is taproot. Now let us move to question number 2. Which of the following is the correct match between the characteristic of stem and category of plant? The weak stem which cannot stand upright is creeper. Absolutely correct. Green tender stem shrub. Actually shrubs don't have green tender. It has sufficiently like strong stem, okay. Next, so this option is wrong. Now, thick hard stem with branching near the base. In trees, branching is not near the base, okay. It starts from above the stem. So that is why this option is wrong. Thick hard stem with branches high on the plant. Branches in the herbs are not high on the plant, okay. In herbs, the branching starts from the base, okay. Now question number 3. Which of the following is not primary function of stem? Photosynthesis is not the primary function of the stem. Conduction of water is correct. Formation of branches, it bears flowers and root. All other 3 options are correct. Question number 4. Which of the following is not correct match? So we have to see. Petiole attaches leaf to the stem. This is correct match, okay. You know what is petiole? Suppose this is a stem and this is leaf, okay. Now the leaf is attached to stem at the point of petiole. This is called petiole, okay, this portion. Now next is lamina. Green flat part of the leaf is called lamina. This is absolutely correct. Margins give shape to the leaf. This is correct. But veins are involved in transpiration. This is wrong, because veins transport water, mineral and food in the leaf and provide support to the leaf, okay. And in transpiration water evaporates, which is done by the stomata of the leaf, not by the veins. So your option number D is not a correct match. Question number 5. Read the following sentences about the photosynthesis. Sunlight, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll and water are necessary. We all know this is necessary. So oxygen is absorbed. No, oxygen is evolved during photosynthesis. Leaves carry out photosynthesis. This is also correct. Proteins are made during photosynthesis. It is carbohydrate. So your option number 1 and 3 are correct. It means option number B is the correct one. Question number 6. Which of the following terms constitute the female part of the flower? So female part of the flower is constituted by style, stigma and ovary. Now we'll move to question number 7. So fill in the blanks. Small green leaves are the base of flowers, are known as sepals. S-E-P-A-L-S. The solen base part of the pistil is ovary, and which bears the ovules. Next is stamen has two parts called filament and anther. Young unopened flower is termed as bud. So this was the fill in the blanks. Now we have to solve this riddle. I have green tender stem and I am much shorter than you. Who am I? So thin tender stem होते हैं herbs के. Okay, these are the small plants with green and tender stem. I come out from the seed when it is soaked in water. I provide anchorage to plant. Who am I? So I am root. Okay, because root comes out first from the seed when it is soaked in water, and another function of root is to absorb water and mineral from the soil. Now we have to match the column 1 with column 2. Flower helps in reproduction, leaf help in photosynthesis, stem help to bear the branches, flowers and fruits, and roots help in anchorage. Okay, ये इसको ज़मीन से बांधे रखने में, पकड़े रखने में मदद करती है. Question number 10. Bujo wanted to test the presence of starch in leaf. He performed following step. Now he took leaf and boiled it in water and then placed leaf in petri dish and poured some iodine over it. He did not get expected result. Which step did he miss? तो उसने एक स्टेप को मिस कर दिया है. तो क्या करना है? टू रिमूव द ग्रीन कलर ऑफ द लीफ, फर्स्ट द लीफ हैज़ टू बी बॉइल्ड इन वाटर एंड नेक्स्ट इट हैज़ टू बी बॉइल्ड इन अल्कोहल सो दैट क्लोरोफिल कम्स आउट. तो यहाँ अल्कोहल वाला स्टेप मिसिंग है. So Bujo stepped the missing of not boiling the leaf in alcohol which removes chlorophyll, so he did not get the expected result. Now question number 11. Will a leaf taken from a potted plant kept in dark room for few days turn blue-black when it is tested for starch? Give reason for your answer. So answer is no. It will not turn blue-black because all the starch present in the leaf would have been used up by the plant, and due to non-availability of sunlight, no starch would be synthesized in leaves. Question number 12. Can the stem of a plant be compared with the street with two-way traffic? Give reason. So answer is yes. The stem of a plant can be compared with the street with two-way traffic. because in stem water and mineral move in upward direction and food moves in downward direction. Okay, the stem transport water and mineral from roots to leaves and other plants part, and food is prepared by leaves. It travels through stem to different part of plant and toward the root in downward direction. Question number 13. Read the functions of plant given below. A. Fix plant to the soil. Now next is prepare starch, take part in reproduction, support branches and bear flower. Now in the diagram we have to write the names of the part whose function you have just read the appropriate. Okay, so plant part which fixes plant to the soil is root, and prepare starch is leaf, take part in reproduction is flower, and support branches and bears flower answer is stem. So question was not that difficult. Now we have to draw the veins of the leaves given below and write the type of venation. In grass the veins run parallel, so it will show parallel venation. Next is people. So in people the branches go like this. Okay, so it is reticulate venation.